Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little home decor haul. So we went shopping yesterday in B&M and Home Bargains and just got a couple little bits. I'll try and tell you the prices if I remember them, but I've put them around the house because that's like my favourite bit. I love getting home decor and then like popping it around and being like, oh, where should I put this? But yeah, I just bought a few little bits for the house, so I thought I would just show you what I bought basically. There is a house tour coming soon, but not yet. We've just got a couple little bits to do first and then I will get one up for you because a lot of people have asked me on Instagram. If you want to see what little bits I bought and some bargains that I can tell you about, then carry on watching. Hello and welcome to my bathroom. I thought I'd do this kind of vlog style because it's much easier just to show you around and show you what I got rather than, you know, bringing it all in the room and everything. And I thought, you know, I'm always sat in my makeup room, so let's just venture out a little bit. So let's go on to the first thing. So here is my bath and I bought this here. This is like, what's it called? It's like a slab basically, but it was only £10 from B&M. And I just thought it'd be cute for the bath. It kind of doesn't fit because if you can see here, it's kind of hanging on the edge, but it's okay. As long as nobody touched it, it'll be fine. Excuse the water in there. It's Zaflora and just hot water just to make it smell nice in here. We've got these plants from IKEA. We're actually doing an IKEA trip tomorrow, so I'm sure there'll be a lot more to show you, maybe in another video if you like this one. We got this candle just from Home Bargains. I'd actually never been there before, but I popped in and this was £1.50 I think. This one here, it's hibiscus and white sands. It smells really nice. I just thought it'd be cute because I've got a lot of candles around the house anyway, but I just thought I'd have this one for this slab thing basically. We bought this plant as well. This is from B&M and it was only £6. It's so heavy. I like this grey print on here. It kind of matches our house a little bit. I think it's really nice. And it's just a fake plant. We've got a lot of real plants around the house, so don't mind getting a few fake ones as well. This is actually going to go somewhere else. I'll tell you about that in a minute, but yeah, we got this plant. I also bought this soap dispenser. I think it was like £2.99, but it's got these like diamonds on it and I just thought it was really cute. It's just white, it kind of matches, because up here we've got like a little plant, some cotton buds in like this gold like jar, and then we've got this is from IKEA. I could have just waited and got the matching one, but I kind of like that, so yeah, I bought that. That was only like £2.99. So here is my bedroom. I didn't buy anything for here. I did buy these pillows just the other day actually. I guess I could have involved them in here. This pillow I've had for a long time. I don't even know where that's from, but these pillows, these white ones, are from the range, and that little one, that one long one there as well, is also from the range. They were probably about 15-20 quid each, but yeah, anyway, I'm not talking about them. We have got a shelf. It's currently in the car. It's going to go up tomorrow. It's basically a big white shelf that's going to go above our bed here, and we're going to get some plants, some candles and stuff like that on there because our bedroom at the moment is just really bare. So if you can see, again, I don't want to show you too much because this isn't the home tour, but if you can see, like, we've got a super king bed, which is why there is no room for really anything else in here, but we don't really need anything else. We've just got our drawers here. Another thing we bought yesterday is this statue. So this is from B&M. I think it was like a tenner. I just thought it was really weird. Me and my boyfriend are just such weird people that we love things like that because it's so weird. And it's like an elephant with a zebra on top with a lion on top. Like, I don't feel like I would see that in anyone else's house, but we loved it, so we just thought, yeah, why not? It kind of looks alright there. It was not meant to be there. This is like, I'll give you a little sneak peek. This is like our dining area. This is our kitchen over here. It's a bit of a mess right now, to be honest. But yeah, this is where it's gone at the moment, which is just in the corner of the room, but it kind of looks good there, so we're just leaving it there. We got these two plants actually, which I can involve in here. These aren't from B&M or Home Bargains. This is actually from Aldi, and it was like £2.50 for this plant. I got this saucer as well from Tesco, and they were like £1 each, so I got some for like our herbs that are over there as well. We got the same plant again in our front room, this one, but I've just bought, we've already had this like kind of plant pot here from another plant that unfortunately died, so it goes well in our front room, so I thought that's actually kind of cute on our table. The last thing that we bought is just this little blanket from B&M. I could not believe it. This was £5. It's like black and white marble and like grey, but I've just folded it up on there because, well, I've just ruined it now actually, but I'll show you it flat. It's like this, so it is quite big, and it's like, I love it. It's really light, so for me, I don't know why, I think it's with my anxiety especially, I always just need something like around me as like comfort, so that one's really helpful for just like when I just need something over me, but I'm actually quite hot, but I just need some like comfort basically. Over here is like another blanket that we have, but it's so much thicker. We've had that for a while. That's also, again, I think that one's from the range, but that one's really thick, so that's for like if it's genuinely cold. But yeah, like I said, this blanket is really, really nice, and it's so light, it's so soft, and it was only £5, which is such a bargain. So that's basically it for the stuff that we bought yesterday, which are just a few items. Like I said, it's nothing too much, and I gave you a little bit of a sneak peek of our house as well. Like I said, the home tour will be coming soon, but we have a 3-story house, so there's so much to do in this house before we really want to be showing you, but it will be coming soon, so definitely keep an eye out for that. And let me know down below if you want to see any other videos like this. I don't know if you guys enjoy like more home videos as well, because I really enjoy like decorating my house and doing home videos because I find that fun, and I love cleaning, so I'd love to do like a clean with me. And I hope you enjoy and stay safe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and please press the bell icon if you do subscribe so you can get notifications for when I upload new videos in the future. See you later.